I don't wear makeup. I just put a little concealer and a little blush and a little mascara and a little lip liner, lip gloss, and maybe some lashes. And then
when doing your makeup, make sure that your skin is always moisturized. Like, make sure your skin is always moisturized. We're going to use primer on the skin and prime our beautiful skin. Skin is already looking pretty flawless. And to everyone that's always saying, you don't like your real hair, your hair. I love my 4C hair. For the community that doesn't like the black, beautiful hair, that is none of my business. Personally, I love everything about me. And there's a lot of lights going on here, so I think that's why I don't see nothing. So yeah, okay. Foundation. I love foundation, and let's not use too much. Honestly, I don't know what kind of makeup I'm looking for. This is a trust the process type of vibe, and yeah. And then we're gonna, blend it real good. Drench your sponge in setting powder, and yeah, get that in there, nice, good, and yeah. Let's do my brows. My brows are just dark, so I'm not gonna be doing much work, I love to have natural looking brows. I don't need to be doing much. You can touch the front part because you're going to take your spoolie and then like do your thing. And I know you probably should be, adding something to make them lay down, but I genuinely don't. My eyebrows are wild and I like to give them the benefits of being wild as well. I'm gonna take my concealer palette for my under eyes, and I'm going to use this shade, which is a little bit brighter than my original shade. If I feel like mixing them up, I will. It's very, very bright, as you can see. Under eyes, I love a bright under eye, I am not going to lie. And then I'm also going to use this one. This one is a little not too dark and not too whitish. I'm just gonna cluster it down there. And I add a lot of products. I never shy away from products because, like, why should I? Why should I? We will be contouring as well, so I don't want you guys to worry about that much. And now I am going to add contour on every part of my face. Okay. I'm not lying, this is a game changer. I love it so much. I literally love this. This is how I officially done the bake. I don't like touching my forehead that much because I really don't see the reason to, but we're gonna add just a small amount here. And yeah, is it coming together pretty fine? Yes, it is. You gotta trust the process always trust the process, okay? This palette has some light foundations and lightness to it that we are gonna add at the beginning of my eyeshadow. That is what I usually do, dark eyeshadow, and then let's blend here because it's looking a little musty, busty, dusty, but don't worry about it. I will blend everything and it will come together. I'm not usually a blend it all at the same time. Okay, I'll just shut up and show you. And then we're going to go with the Shea Butter Whisper. And then, should I do that or should I do shimmer? I don't know. But let's do it. I like doing it like this. I like doing it like this. So as you see, I'm just patting it there, not brushing. Is this video gonna be nice? I hope it is because I put some effort into this. I'm gonna post it anyway. I am not a perfectionist when it comes to my social media work. I just do what I want to do because I can, and people like it. That's the good part about it. People like it for real. So that because my son was here and I wanted to see my little dookies. Don't even know what dookies mean. I hope it's not a bad word. Just realized that I wasn't recording, but now I am doing my wing and I want it to look perfect. Okay, so let's do this. I am starting to tear up, which is bad, but so now I am going to be looking for shimmers that I can add to my front parts and, you know, go with it. Literally this makeup is so bad, but I can't see because of the lights. I had to turn them off and put them back on and see that they look good. So we're going to be using this eyeshadow palette. I use 3 eyeshadow palettes. It's literally giving. I'm using Windook. This one, yeah, from this palette. It's a booklet, y'all. It's a booklet. So, yeah. It's pretty hard applying the glitter. I won't lie. I'm just gonna see if they're not ashy. Not really, but I'm gonna need to blend them. So I'm gonna be using for my things, for the blushy things. Let's use this one because it's kind of matte and kind of quiet. We're gonna be using this too. And I literally wanted orange blush today, but you know, restrictions there and there. So I'm just gonna, you know, just add there and highlight it like this right here. Oh, whoa. Yeah. My lips right now, and we are going to be using this creamy pencil and just going in there like this, like big, so I don't try to do much. And someone on Instagram said I had BBL lips. Really? Y'all are talented. BBL lips, like y'all need to stop. I wasn't even offended. I was shocked that that's a thing. Feeling myself way too much. Another pencil, another pencil, another pencil. This one is Essence, all of that, yeah. 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 I'm going to be using this hot pink that I have. It's not really hot pink. My brother was like, no, you shouldn't use that pink. It makes you look dark skinned, even darker than your shade. And I'm like, that's not true. I am originally dark. I've been dark. Just that you are fixated on the pink. And if it's male's opinion on makeup, you do not take it. No offense. What do you know about makeup and beauty? No offense. Honestly, no offense. Like, you can say your opinions because, yeah, but I'm not gonna stop doing what I like. I'll stop doing it when I find something else I want to do. That literally is that. But do you see how cute this is? And then we are going to go in again with this lip gloss, and we're just going to put it on the pink. I layer my lip glosses, so don't worry. I layer them real good. Essence again for the hot pink, hot take. Butter. And then we are going with the one and only Lip Therapy. Love this down bad. And yeah, look, very much needed. And then I think I'm gonna use something to apply it. I don't really want to, but I need this makeup look to eat because it's already eaten. So, oh my gosh, we'll use this. Oh my gosh, I'm ruining it. You're ruining it. And don't worry, I can fix the lip line. Just need something. Okay, this is how it looks. So we're gonna turn off the lights and put on setting spray and then do my thing, okay? I look like a little Barbie. I'm so obsessed with this makeup look, guys, and I don't even wanna lie. Everything is so tea. And I did change the lights, so yeah. I feel so amazing. I did not trust the process. I did not see this makeup look come in until they were like, you look so good. I just entered the house and everyone was like, wow, you look like a little Barbie. Yeah, guys, yeah, just gotta do it. Look like a Barbie. Look like a Barbie. Look like a Barbie.